Want to remove the background from a person using CapCut? Here's a quick way to create a rotoscope style effect. First, open CapCut on your PC and click Create Project. Click Import and select a short video. Once you've imported the video, drag it onto the timeline and select the clip. Next, go to the video in the right side panel, then select Remove BG. Click Auto Removal and wait for CapCut to analyze and process the video. Once it's finished, play the video to make sure the person stays properly separated from the background throughout the clip. Once okay, if you want to add a new background, click again Import and select an image or a video for your background. Drag the new background on a track below your processed video, then adjust its length to match the main clip. Play the project to review the final result and make sure everything looks good. Finally, click Export, name your video and preferred frame rate, then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. Created a rotoscope style effect in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more quick tech tutorials.